am on my way to go get the stuff to treat my floors. I've been wanting to treat my floors for like over 2 weeks now.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do? Just get...
So guys, I have been up, running around, making my runs, but for the past 2 weeks, I have been wanting to treat my floors. So, but I ran out of the stuff. So now, you know, even though your girl is full, I just got through eating some steak and potatoes. Oh my goodness, even though I am full, I am about to go in the store. And even if I don't do it today, guys, at least I will have the stuff at the house when I'm ready to do my floors. So we're doing that today. Also, guys, I want to bring y'all also a wig review. Hopefully, you know, I'll be able to show y'all all of this stuff in one video. I don't know, guys. I don't know. We're just going to play it by ear. We are going to play it by ear. Okay? So let me pick up this stuff from this store. And then, guys, I'm going to catch y'all back at the house. All right, we done made it back home. I like to make my clean water. And the mixture that I like to use is, this is Clorox sanitizer. It kills 99% of bacteria and viruses. And it has a beautiful smell to it, guys. I love this stuff. And I put a little bit of, you know, pine sol in there, the lemon. So just a bit of both of them. And I like to just mop my floors, you know, with this. I don't put much of it in at all. Not much at all. But just enough to make the house smell really good. And then with this, guys, this is just an extra bonus. This stuff smells so good. And it's really thick, so you don't need a lot. Even if you put this stuff in a bucket and just have it in your house, this stuff smells good. This stuff smells good. I don't care if you just put it in a bucket and have it in your house. So I just basically, now no matter how many rooms I do, I make a fresh bucket of water for each room. I don't mix rooms. So right now, guys, we are in my basement. And I am just going to mop all the floor with this. All right, guys, so I'm going to get this basement floor clean. But while I am doing that, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you will not miss my next video that I will be bringing to you. Now guys, the best time to do your floors is when your family is not in the house or have gone to bed for the night, because the Rejuvenate, you cannot walk on those floors for an hour depending on how much you use when you apply it. I have so much fun switching my rooms around. It is ridiculous. I absolutely love it. Okay, so this floor is clean. I got to change the water, make some clean water, and then I gotta mop my front room and my kitchen and my bathroom. Now guys, if you remember, my front room did not look like this. I told you guys I figured out a long time ago that I like change. And because I figured out how to change my front room around without buying a single thing, I can change my front room out as much as I like. Alright guys, well this is the next day and I am about to gloss and finish and restore my floors. I got my little dust mop here. You know, the perfect thing to use with this is the dust mop from the Dollar Tree, and it works perfect. So what we are going to do, y'all have seen me do this before. I made a video about it. So you just want to squirt a little bit out, and you just want to just go over your floors. Now I'm telling you, don't box yourself in. Okay guys, don't box yourself in. And also, after you mop it, do not walk on it for an hour. Do not walk on these floors for an hour, because you will see the print of your shoe in that floor. So I want to box myself in. And it don't take much, guys. It's just that I run through the bottles because I love it so much. All right, guys, don't mind that piece of tissue that I'm mopping right there. I ended up picking that up, so just ignore that. I'm gonna go back around the other way. I usually like to do this when my family is gone to work, or you know, sleep. And these floors just look gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at the floors, guys. All right, guys, well, that is it. I am going to finish my front room floor and my kitchen floor. And guys, thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. You have reached at It's Regina TV. Let me know how this stuff works for your floors. I'm telling you, they are going to look brand new. Guys, you are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing. You like and thumbs up and share and subscribe my videos. And I really do appreciate you guys. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list.